Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is the 31st of August, quarter to 6 a.m. in the morning in Melbourne, Australia. Let's take a look at the market. Well, still is 30th of August in New York and London. Today the market just collapsed. As you can see, we have a big pin bar in EURUSD and for yesterday, and today just market came down. Some of my trades were closed on Monday. As you can see, this is 23rd. All of them were closed in 23rd, 15, 13, 13, 12, 10. But the good thing is, if you look at them, all of them hit their stop loss, okay? All of them. Except this one that I closed it manually myself. This one is $6. This one is $99.8, $100. This one is $157, and the other one is $144. So if you can see, these are all hit the target actually. The profit is, these are I earn a lot of money, though it hit the stop loss. So this is the power of moving your stop loss to break even, and then step by step moving it close to the price. When the price moves back or it suddenly crashes, you are stopped out, but you are stopped out with the profit. So currently all of these big stop loss, you know, the trades that I had about a week ago, these two were very heavy on my account. So overall but as you can see, these are all profit. This one is big. I have to work on my money management first, and then my stop loss is a little bit, so the rest are good. So far so good. The new I have a couple of new trades I will show you, but let's see, the EURUSD is moving back, is touching this 8 moving average EMA and this resistance line here, which is support now. It was a resistance and support. This pin bar touched this resistance top there. It couldn't break it. This is a new indicator I'm using. Let me show you. If I can. Indicators list. This is PZ dash support resistance. Okay, this has inputs 6, 12, 24 MACD and all sort of things. It draws very good support and resistances, as you can see, in a very best areas. So this one is the top one, and it's very close to the one that I normally draw it myself. So this pin bar touched this resistance line and is moving back. This is another support line here, so hopefully it's gonna hold, but yeah, we just wait and see. My stop loss is this one is, I have one trade only, so I move my stop loss to break even, so I just wait. I don't get out. I wait until the market moves back. Maybe if it moves back, I enter again. This is silver versus Aussie dollar. This is my best trade. I have the one trade down here when this pin bar moved, formed. I move my stop loss now to the top of this resistance here, a little bit resistance. So I lock in a good profit, maybe around 39, 40 pips. If you can see, this is XAUUSD. XAUUSD, this is $400 in profit, and it's one mini lot. Okay, it's $400 profit. This is my biggest trade at the moment. We have gold versus US dollar. It just broke the 1300 level, if you remember last week. This one last week was stuck here. We had this big pin bar, and then suddenly boom, Monday broke up and it's moving up. It went up to 326, but it's moving back now. So currently the price is in this channel and it's moving very good. This was due to the not announcing anything about the interest rate on Friday when the Federal Reserve of America and ECB, the European Central Bank, didn't announce actually anything didn't talk about the interest rate or anything, and the market expecting they do something about it, but they didn't. So the euro and dollar dropped. Actually, the dollar dropped more, so the gold and silver just jumped, and they broke this level. So at the moment, we are bearish on this gold and silver. So anytime that you have a chance, you can just enter as a bearish upward. AUDUSD is moving down. It had this big pin bar, touched this 21, but not powerful enough. The sellers are in power, and then they're going down because USD. But yesterday was, as you can see, these two are the day that USD weakened, but the next today and yesterday they couldn't hold it and market dropped. AUDJPY, I have this big pin bar here. It's a very bearish pin bar. I entered here last night about American time. It's about midday, and the market was moving high. It passed my entry point, but it moved back again. I'm still bullish on this, and you can enter the market anytime you want. Maybe even you can put this is about 170 pips. Okay, it's a very big pin bar, so you can put a buy stop of actually buy limit order about halfway or maybe close to this line here at 86.68, and when the market moves back, it catches your trade and then moves up again. That's what I think it's gonna do. This is a small, see this, let me change this color to yellow and make it bigger. Okay, this is and let me turn the ray off. Okay, this is a triangle, and this shows that this goes down upward and then it's stuck here. If it goes up, it's a kind of a against the rules, but yeah, should go down. But this is a very bullish pin bar. Okay, so if you have any chance, if you get any signals, you can enter in this pair as well. Let's look at USDJPY. Boom, USDJPY is fantastic. It's moving upward, and I'm tighten my stop loss a little bit more, not much. Still, we had this big pin bar yesterday, and then today again moved up, and it's going very good. My target is up there. Maybe if I have another chance, the market moves back, touches this 21 moving average, I'm gonna enter again. But at the moment, yeah, it's very good. When I entered, stochastic was down here. It's good. Canadian, Japanese yen. All right, this one is, again, we have these pin bars. All these Japanese pairs have this pin bar. See, AUDJPY, USDJPY, Canadian dollar JPY, let me EURUJPY, let me add my template. Okay, as you can see, we have this pin bar again here. See, all this is because of Japanese yen. Okay, all the Japanese yen pairs are doing that. GBP JPY, let's take a look at GBP JPY. I'm pretty sure it's gonna have that pin bar. You see, we have this pin bar here again. So this is because of the Japanese yen movement. I didn't look at the news about Japanese yen, so probably they did something dodgy. Okay, they devalued Japanese yen and this moving higher and higher. So I better put a trade in GBP JPY, and I put my stop loss under at this bar, and I move my target. Let me draw a Fibonacci of this pin bar. Fibonacci of this pin bar, I normally put my target above between 26 to 261 and 423, almost halfway 423 level of Fibonacci. So that if you draw a Fibonacci of this pin bar, your target is between 261 to 423 Fibonacci level. Okay, so every time market moves up, if it goes up above 161, I move my target, my stop loss close to the break even, and then I follow the price and move it higher and higher. So yeah, Japanese yen, it just moved. This one is again pin bar. Let's look at Euro GBP. Boom, crash. So is this a good entry? Maybe if you put a small target like 100 pips something, all right, you can enter this one, but it's a very bullish move. You can see here, this is not the sign of reversal. Okay, it is on top of the market, and the stochastic has been moving above 80 for a long time, but it's not a confirmed trade sell order. Okay, you can enter very small and put a tight stop loss and get a very good maybe profit. I don't enter here, I follow the trend, but you just wait and see what happens. Maybe it's a big reversal, maybe it's not. Okay, overall it's a good trade, a small trade, but it's a big risk on your overall portfolio if you want to make this as a reversal. You're not sure about that. But if you follow the price action trading strategy, maybe you have to enter here and then put a stop loss on top of this pin bar, on top of this candle, and then you put a maybe target of 1.5 to 1 or maybe 2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. That's good. All right, this was for today, and I hope you enjoyed my trading analysis. As you can see, I do a live trading, so I place my trades right now and when I'm recording this video. And yeah, I hope you learned something. If you learned really something, please subscribe to my channel, and you will get notified as soon as I upload a video, so you can enter the market just like I do. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below. I will answer all the questions almost as soon as I can. And thanks so much for watching. Have a nice week.